Hi folks, hope you all had a great long weekend and you managed to get outside to enjoy the snow. This week we are continuing to learn about space. You'll see from the success criteria that you should be able to state the definitions of key terms including planet, moon, star, galaxy and exoplanet. You should be able to use listening skills to record facts and information on outer space from a programme. You should be able to use literacy skills and apps or online resources to keep a diary of night sky observations. And if possible, you can have a go at creating a homemade space glider or rocket, but only if it's possible. As usual, there will be a checklist that you can find on the Teams page and in the Files tab. Because of the long weekend, this week is a bit shorter, so you don't have as much work to complete this week compared to other weeks. Your first task is to watch this episode of Bill Nye on outer space and complete the worksheet while you're watching the episode. To find the video, click the link found here and it will take you to a YouTube video that looks something like that. To find the worksheet, you're going to go onto Teams, you're going to go to Files, click on the folder called Number 5 Dynamics, then click on the folder called Number 3 Space, and then you're looking for the Word document called Bill Nye Outer Space Worksheet. Make sure you tap on the one that's called Outer Space because it's slightly different to the one that we used the last time. Now, there was some good feedback from this task last week. This week I want you to upload your answers using the Assignments tab. We're going to give this another go because people seemed to enjoy this task last week. The worksheet with the questions should look something like this. And you can either write your answers in your jotter or on paper, or if you want to download your own copy of the worksheet, you can download your own copy and either write in the answers or type in the answers in the spaces. And then you can either upload a picture or upload your own copy of the file to the Assignments tab. Your next task, if it's possible, you can have a go at making a space glider or a model rocket by using instructions that you'll find also in the Files tab. Same folders again, Number 5 Dynamics, Number 3 Space, and you're looking for the file called Space Flights. And when you open this up, you'll see one sheet with some instructions. You'll see a list and diagram showing you how to make a glider, and you'll also see a list or diagram on how to make your own homemade rocket. If you don't have the materials for this in the house, please don't worry. It's just something a wee bit more fun to give you to do because we're on the space topic. But if you don't have the materials at home to do it, then please don't worry about this task. It's just an optional one as a wee bit of fun. The next task has been mentioned over the last couple of weeks. Again, just to give you something a wee bit different to do. And hopefully you can get outside maybe to see a few things in the night sky. So if it's possible, if you get some clear nights that you can get outside and have a look at the sky, keep a wee record of everything that you're able to see. Obviously if it's a cloudy night you're not going to be able to see as much, but if you do get a clear night, have a go. Again, just something different for you to try and make a note of anything that you see. You can use the app that I'm going to talk about just in a second on the next sheet here, or you can find information online that will help you identify things that are visible each night. And if you're able to do this task, you can upload your diary entries using the Assignments tab as well. The app that can help you to identify the things that you're looking at is called Star Chart. Again, this has been mentioned over the last couple of weeks, so you can get it on Google Play for Android, or you can get it on App Store if you've got an Apple device. And I've put the 2 wee screenshots here so that you know what it is that you're looking for if you want to try and download that. It's a free app, it's not going to cost anything, and it's quite a good one because you literally point your phone at the sky and it tells you what you're looking at. Again, please don't worry if you're not able to download the app or if you're not able to do the night sky diary because of issues with devices or weather. These are just optional, just fun tasks to give you something a wee bit different to try. And then your final task of the week is a wee quiz. You can see how many you get right. Same folders again, number 5 dynamics, number 3 space, and you'll see a sheet called stargazing quiz. You can have a go, see how you get on. You can use, it's not a test, so you can use online resources to find some of the answers and then upload your answers, again using the Assignments tab. The quiz questions, stargazing quiz, should look something like that. And again, you can write the answers for these in your jotter or on paper, or you can download your own copy and add your answers to your own copy of the document and then upload onto the Assignments tab. As usual, join in on the live drop-in sessions. You'll find the date and times for those on the Teams page. And if you've got any questions, please post them onto the Teams page and I can get back to you to help you out. Also, just a reminder that it's not too late to complete the tasks from the previous few weeks. You can still complete this work and then submit it using the Assignments tab. Let me know on Teams if you do submit any assignments from previous weeks so that I can have a look at your work and give you some feedback. Have a look on Twitter for some excellent examples of your work over the past few weeks, and I'll speak to you all soon.